Hello everybody, how are you? How are you all doing? Another vlog today to answer one of your questions about the hair system. Today's question is, when is the right time to get a hair system? I'll tell you my story. When I lost my hair, it knocked my confidence so badly and I was really fed up. I tried every single drug to get my hair back and nothing bloody worked. So I was studying at uni and I was getting bolder and bolder and I was losing more hair. So I was just fed up. I just wanted something to get my hair back. So when you're fed up, it feels like, no, I want to do something to look good, to feel better. That would be the perfect time for you. Well, I would say when you first start losing your hair system, if you have I call my hair system. When you first start losing your hair, I would go and have a hair system because no one would notice the difference because the hair system would look 100% natural. So that would be the perfect time for you. For me, the perfect time when I fed up, tried all the types of drugs that say to you, you'll get your hair back, but nothing worked for me and nothing worked for anybody. And I was studying at uni, that was the perfect time for me. So this is today's question about the hair system. To get this amazing hair system. This guy. If you have any more questions, visit hairforall.com. Oh, my phone ringing. I do apologise for that. So, if you have any more questions about the hair system, visit hairforall.com. And I'll see you soon, guys. Ta-da!